Hello, lovely people on the tube that are watching my channel. Welcome back for another Clean With Me video. In today's video, we will be cleaning my room, or I will be cleaning my room, and redecorating just a little bit. If you are watching this video on the day that I posted it, happy Easter. I hope all of you guys' Easter went very well, and I hope that all of you are doing well. I know we're going a little crazy being stuck in the house and we all want to get out, but please, please, please stay home. Here I am just clearing the shelf off, because if you may have noticed, if you watched the last one, I like to clear the stuff down and then wipe it down. So I'm just taking all of the stuff off of this shelf, off the top, and then taking all of my shoes off and cleaning it with the Method All-Purpose Cleaner, with that and a microfiber towel in the fragrance Honey Crisp Apple. That is my favorite fragrance. I will link it in the description box below. I got the fragrance, I think we got it from Grove, but they also sell it at Target. So up top, I just have a couple of everyday things like my face wash and my water pick. I don't like to keep stuff like that in the bathroom because, you know, germs. And hair oils and jewelry and just things that I can grab on the way out of the door, jewelry wise, and then things that I grab on the way out of the door to the bathroom. I don't know if I said, but I got the shoe shelf from Target. It's two separate shelves. They were built to be stacked on top of each other. Each shelf was $13. If you are a person who has a lot of sneakers or like flat shoes, this is probably a good shelf for you. But if you're a person who has a lot of high heels, this is not the shelf for you because they will not fit on the shelves. However, if you are a person who has like me, has a small amount of them, you can fit your heels on that very top part. That's where I used to put mine when we lived in the other house. Okay guys, so this basket usually is downstairs. I'm going to show you where I leave it, but I emptied all the stuff out onto the bed. Some of it I have already put away, but I usually leave stuff inside of this bin, like stuff that I leave downstairs. I just collect it throughout the week or weeks, because it doesn't always get full every week, and then I just store it down here. So the bin I got from Five Below, and I just keep my stuff in it downstairs in an effort to keep all of my stuff from being all over the living room, because it drives my mother and my grandfather crazy. So I just keep it in the bin. I got the idea from a mom on YouTube. I watch a lot of cleaning videos, and in her video she has a couple bins downstairs for her kids, and she fills them up with all of their toys so that their toys aren't all over the living room, and at like a couple days throughout the week they'll take their toys back upstairs. So here I'm just clearing my shelf off, or my crates as I call it. I have 2 crates on each side of the bed as nightstands. I got them from Home Depot for about $11, and then I stained them with paint stain that I had on hand, or wood stain, I'm sorry, that I had on hand. I had the smallest can you can get. It's about $7. And then I just put them on the sides of the bed because I didn't want to drill holes into the wall. The nightstand that I actually have like stored somewhere downstairs in the garage is supposed to go into the wall, but I didn't want to drill holes, so I just got the crates, and they serve as a nightstand but also as a storage space. So here I am just redecorating my wall. I don't know if you guys remember, if you watched the last video, you may have noticed that the Good Vibes Only girl is a little different. I cut out the pieces like in between her arms and around her body that were like that purplish color. I cut those out, and then of course I just am putting the butterflies all over the wall. I may go back to the store and get some more. My mom says it looks fine, but I just have this idea to make them look like they're flying all over the wall. If you think it's okay, or if you think I should add more, let me know in the comments below. But I got the Good Vibes girl and both sheets of butterflies from the dollar store. And when I say dollar store, I mean Dollar Tree, because everything in there is $1. So anytime you hear me say dollar store, I am referencing Dollar Tree. This DIY project cost me $3. This is stuff for your carpet to make the room smell good. My carpet does not have an odor. I just like to use it because when you vacuum, it makes the room smell so good. I got it from Walmart, I think, for 97 cents. They also sell it at Target and the dollar store. I like to use it for the recommended time. I leave it in the carpet for 15 minutes, and when you do that, it lifts the dirt out of the carpet, basically. Okay, so in a second, okay, there we go. I was fighting with this this thing. My embroidery yarn got stuck inside the vacuum cleaner. And then here I was just checking to make sure the camera was still rolling. My fellow YouTubers know how like annoying it is to be recording a video and then it's like not actually recording. Alright guys, we have reached the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Be sure to like the video, comment below anything you'd like to see in the future, but also just nice comments, and how you liked this particular video. So comment things below that you would like to see in the future and how you like this video. Be sure to turn on your post notifications so you know when I post a video, and I will see you guys next week.